Right, so these are the bulbs, the halogen bulbs. I think they're G4s. So obviously I think they're about maybe 10 or 20 watts each. And we got 5 there. So yeah, they're going to be changed. And we're going to be using the wow bulbs, the LED wow bulbs. So that's what it looks like pre-LED conversion. And it's pretty, doesn't cast a great light really on the room. So yeah, we're going to go to the wow LED conversion next. So here are the wow LED bulbs, the G4. We're going to put them in a light to replace the halogens. So I've already used these wow bulbs, the G9s, and they were pretty good actually. Really impressed with the quality and the light output. Warm white, of course, don't go for white, it's just horrendous. So here we go, usual kind of capsules. There are the bulbs, looking good. What's different with the wow bulbs is that the LEDs, that's the surface mount diodes, SMDs, they're on the sides, whereas I bought, can't really compare the G4s, but I bought Asda G9s, and on the G9s, they're Asda's ones, it's like a traditional like headlight bulb, I guess, but it's just like on the front, the tip of the bulb is the LEDs, SMDs. So yeah, which, I don't know, it kind of works, but I think it's better to have them like this for like even light distribution. So yeah, right, let's take the old ones out. Right, so this is the light fitting. Excuse the dust on it, it does need a bit of a clean. These are the halogen bulbs. I'm going to pull these out. That one. That one. That one. The other good thing about these bulbs is that the LED ones. So yeah, the good thing about these LED bulbs is that obviously they don't get hot. No way it's hot. I'm just going to look at the packet in a minute to find out what wattage these are. The halogens are, just looking to see if I can see it on there. They look to be, God, it's hard to see, maybe 10 watts each. These are, let's have a look. Do I actually know what I've bought? Probably not. No, don't know, and it's not written on them. I'm guessing 3 watts. Most of these things seem to be 3 watts. So, right, let's get 5 in. And here we go. Alright, let's get these in. Now, if any of these don't come on, I just need to turn them around, as it were. But these are a lot easier to do than the G9s. Well, the actual light fitting, the G9 light fitting, was a bit of a headache. Okay, this one in. Why isn't this one going in? Oh, there we go. It says on there 510 watts, so God, these are fiddly. 2 left. Oh, I can't see that one. I'm gonna have to scoot round. There we go. Must admit, they don't look as nice, do they? They look like plastic, dunno, cheap plastic on the light fitting. That's the only probably negative on this. Let's just have a look now, see what that. Yeah, the light level is good actually. We'll do a test in a bit when it gets dark and then just see what that light level, what it's like. But that looks good. I'm happy with that. Good these wow LED bulbs are. I don't think they're too bad actually. It's casting quite a good light into the room, which is cool. It's not cool, it's warm white. So yeah, thumbs up for these. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.